Hi there! This video is about the order of operations. In maths, an operation is a rule for combining numbers to make other numbers. There are certain rules we need to follow when deciding the order of operations. We can use a mnemonic to help us remember the order. Some people call this mnemonic BODMAS, and some use BODMAS. The letters refer to the order in which we should carry out the operations. B stands for brackets. If there are brackets, we do the operation inside the brackets first. For example, in this calculation, we do 7 add 2 first. 7 add 2 equals 9, so this part of the calculation has a value of 9. Now we work through the calculation from left to right as usual. 6 multiplied by 9 equals 54. So the answer to our calculation is 54. The next operation in our triangle is indices or orders. This is where a product such as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is recorded as 2 cubed. These can be called either indices or orders. So in this calculation, we would calculate the 3 squared first. 3 squared equals 3 times 3, which equals 9. So we can replace the 3 squared with 9. Now we work through the calculation from left to right. 20 subtract 9 equals 11. So the answer to our calculation is 11. In the next section of the triangle, the D and M represent division and multiplication. These operations are on the same level of the triangle because they are of equal importance when it comes to the order of operations. Finally, addition and subtraction are at the bottom of the triangle. They are on the same level because they are of equal importance when considering the order of operations. Multiplication and division are done before addition and subtraction. For example, in this calculation, we would complete the multiplication first. 3 multiplied by 4 equals 12, so we can replace the 3 times 4 with 12. 2 add 12 equals 14, so the answer to our calculation is 14. Sometimes there are more than 2 operations that need to be carried out in the correct order. We need to work our way down the triangle to decide what to do first. For example, let's look at the calculation 10 squared subtract 8 multiplied by 5. Let's look at our order of operations triangle. The thing that takes precedence is brackets. We have no brackets in this calculation. The next operation we should do is indices or orders. Our calculation has 10 squared, so we complete that first. 10 squared equals 100. Let's replace the 10 squared with 100 in our calculation. If we continue to work down our triangle, the next operations are multiplication and division. Our calculation has a multiplication, so we complete that part next. 8 multiplied by 5 equals 40. So we can replace 8 multiplied by 5 with 40 in our calculation. We are now left with a straightforward calculation and can work from left to right as usual. 100 subtract 40 equals 60, so that is the answer to our calculation. Let's apply the rules to the following calculations. Pause after each one and then check if you were correct. 12 subtract 8 add 6. This calculation involves subtraction and addition. Because they are on the same level of the triangle, they have equal importance, so we just work from left to right as usual. 12 subtract 8 equals 4, and 4 add 6 equals 10, so the answer is 10. 50 divided by 12 subtract 7. Brackets take precedence, so you should have done that bit first. 12 subtract 7 equals 5, so we can replace 12 subtract 7 with 5. Now we work from left to right. 50 divided by 5 equals 10. 10. 5 squared, add 15 divided by 3. This calculation has indices, so we do that first. 5 squared equals 25, so we replace the 5 squared with 25. We are left with an addition and a division. Division comes above addition in the triangle, so we do that bit first. 15 divided by 3 equals 5, so we are left with 25 add 5, which equals 30. I hope this has helped you to understand all about the order of operations. If you're looking for even more maths help, we have lots of these videos on the Twinkl website, so make sure to check them out. Thank you for watching!